Living in Middleburg means enjoying Florida's beautiful sunshine, lush greenery, and mild winters, but it also means dealing with heat, humidity, and the occasional tropical storm. In a state known for its unpredictable weather, having durable, well-installed windows isn't just about aesthetics. It's about protecting your home and maintaining comfort year-round. That's where weather-resistant window replacement comes in. Investing in the right type of windows and working with experienced local professionals can make a major difference in how your Middleburg home stands up to Florida's ever-changing climate. Why Florida homes need weather-resistant windows. Florida's weather presents unique challenges that standard windows aren't always built to handle. From the intense summer heat and humidity to heavy rains and hurricane-force winds, homeowners in Middleburg need windows that can perform under pressure. Over time, traditional windows can warp, crack, or lose their seal, leading to air leaks and reduced energy efficiency. Moisture intrusion, which causes mold and rot. Increased indoor humidity and discomfort. Potential structural damage during severe storms. Weather-resistant replacement windows are specifically designed to combat these problems. They provide strong insulation, tight sealing, and reinforced frames that hold up against both daily conditions and extreme weather events, giving homeowners peace of mind no matter what the forecast brings. Energy efficiency for Florida's heat and humidity. Middleburg residents know how hot Florida summers can get, with the sun's rays beating down and humidity filling the air. Without proper windows, it's easy for homes to become uncomfortably warm and for air conditioning units to work overtime. Modern weather-resistant windows feature low emissivity coatings, double or triple pane glass, and argon gas insulation, all of which help block heat transfer while letting natural light in. These materials reflect infrared radiation, keeping your home cooler without darkening your rooms. In addition to keeping heat out, these energy-efficient windows also prevent cool air from escaping, lowering your energy bills and extending the lifespan of your HVAC system. The result is a more comfortable, cost-effective living environment all year long. Protection against rain, wind, and storms. Florida's coastal and inland areas alike experience powerful storms that bring heavy rain and high winds. Even in Middleburg, where homes aren't directly on the coast, weather events can still cause significant damage if windows aren't properly reinforced. Impact-resistant windows, also known as hurricane or storm windows, are built with laminated, shatter-resistant glass that stays intact even if struck by debris. These windows don't just protect your home from flying objects, they also prevent water intrusion and pressure imbalances that can damage walls and roofs during extreme weather. When installed by local professionals who understand Florida's building codes and wind zone requirements, impact-rated windows give you both safety and resilience, protecting your investment and your family. Moisture control and long-term durability. Florida's humidity can be tough on materials like wood and aluminum, leading to warping, swelling, or corrosion over time. Weather-resistant windows made from vinyl, fiberglass, or composite materials are designed to handle high moisture levels without losing shape or efficiency. These materials are non-porous, easy to maintain, and resistant to rot or rust, perfect for Florida's subtropical environment. Combined with high-quality seals and proper installation, they ensure that moisture stays outside, keeping your home dry and structurally sound. Curb appeal meets performance. Upgrading to weather-resistant windows doesn't mean sacrificing style. Today's replacement windows come in a wide variety of designs, finishes, and frame colors that enhance both modern and traditional Middleburg homes. You can choose from double-hung windows for classic Florida charm, casement windows for a sleek, contemporary look, picture windows to frame outdoor views while maximizing light. The right windows not only improve performance but also boost your home's curb appeal and overall value, a win for both comfort and aesthetics. Why professional installation matters. Even the best weather-resistant windows won't perform effectively without expert installation. Local Middleburg professionals understand the region's unique weather conditions and building standards. They ensure precise fitting, proper sealing, and compliance with Florida's strict energy and hurricane codes. Professional installation helps you avoid issues like air leaks, water damage, and premature wear, guaranteeing that your windows will perform flawlessly for years. Final thoughts for homeowners in Middleburg: weather-resistant window replacement is more than just an upgrade, it's a necessity. With Florida's heat, humidity, and seasonal storms, investing in durable, energy-efficient, and professionally installed windows provides long-term protection, comfort, and beauty. By working with trusted local experts, you can ensure your new windows enhance not only your home's resilience but also its elegance, helping you enjoy the best of Florida living, no matter the weather.